Hey everybody, it's Neil, and okay, I'm going to show you guys the Core Surf backpacks. I actually have the 28L and the 38L, so that's 10 liters difference between them. The top one, the green one, is the small one, the red one is the bigger one. I'm going to talk mostly about the bigger one here, but they are very similar. It has a lot of different pockets. You see there's this top pocket, and in there it has two hidden pockets inside of there. So, not really hidden pockets, but zippered pockets inside of the top pocket. So I can go and put some of the wires and things like that into the different pockets or papers or whatever, and it's not going to fall out. So that was one of the big selling points of this one, where my green one, the smaller one, has one zipper pocket inside of there. For the most part, that's the only real difference as far as pockets and stuff between the two. Other than that, they're pretty much identical other than size. This one here has a little clip on it too. I think the other one did too, so you could clip your keys on it, which is nice because I go to the airport and then I just clip my keys in there and they just stay in the backpack just so I know I'm not going to lose them. They're not going to fall out somewhere or have any problem. The zippers are really nice and waterproof. Here I'm going to open up the big section and I'll show you guys in there. I have everything kind of open. I just got out of a trip that I took the big one on. Since I've gotten the big one, I really don't take the small one anymore. The small one's usually just good for like one night, and the big one I can get away with like 3 nights on, just because most of my all my toiletries and shoes and things like that will take up most of the space, so I have enough space for one set of clothes on the small one. The second one I have like 3 or 4 sets of clothes. I could probably go a week if I needed to really squeeze it in there in that backpack. But on the side here, it has a section for your laptop, and it's weird. It's got 2 sections with a divider in it. On my small one, it was kind of, it had that same thing, but what I did was I took all the foam out of that divider. So the divider's still there, but the foam's not. I figured, why do I need the extra foam in there? I haven't done that on the big one. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. You could have a really huge laptop, though, and it would fit. But I put my laptop and my iPad in there, so I do use the separation sometimes. But then you see it has like these 2 pockets on the back, which is nice. One of them is behind the strap, so it's kind of almost hidden. So you maybe put my passport or something in there if I'm really traveling. That little strap is great because it goes over the the luggage handle if I have luggage and the backpack. The small one has the same stuff as well. It's got the little pocket and the thing too. Here I'm zipping up the big section here, I guess, so we can see all the stuff there. And it's got a handle on the side, which is nice, so you can take it with you. Super easy and convenient that way. The small one had a handle as well. It's also got like some of these little hook things. I put a carabiner on there, which, it's really nice and convenient to be able to do that. It does have a side pocket, so I can put my, I have chapstick in there now, you can see, but I put my water bottle in there when I'm traveling. It's got a handle at the top too. The straps are super comfy and really easy to do there because it's not a huge backpack or anything. It's not huge. I have it adjusted huge right now, really big, because I had it heapingly full when I just went to Colorado. I had it full with some jackets and things on my way back. Just got back from there, but you can see what it looks like. It's kind of empty, so it looks a little crunched, but for the most part, it's it doesn't flop over so much. So it's really nice. What else am I going to show about these two? Yeah, they're both the same. They have this couple of inside pockets with some straps. They have the, just everything you could possibly need in a backpack, and they're super durable, seem pretty waterproof, and the zippers work surprisingly well, which is nice for waterproof zippers. Usually when it's got like some of that rubber stuff around there, it makes it really hard to do, but these work really good. I'm not sure, I haven't completely put it underwater. Don't think I would do that, but I would feel comfortable walking out in the rain with this pretty good, even with my laptop in the back. So I really do like these. They are, great backpacks. And you can see the 38 versus the, 28, it's just, it does have a size difference. You can see it's, it is bigger. The big one, I can take on Spirit if I don't fill it completely full. But if I have it absolutely full, they might not like it. I you know, maybe if it was jackets or something I could kind of squish into their little cubby, it might work on, you know, Spirit or Frontier or one of those. But the small one fits even if it's all the way full, you know, easy peasy. The big one, it's a little questionable at times, but for the most part, when I do travel to, I do take the red one now, the bigger one. The small one is the one I got first, and then I just was, you know, wanted to get the big one too. So I love them, but definitely pick these up if you can. They are awesome. You know, the big one is the one I prefer.